Hey guys, I'm so excited. It is FabFitFun winter box time. I have my box sitting here. We're gonna go through the box, see what's inside. We're gonna go over the customizations and see what the box was worth. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I'm Michelle. I love all things beauty and lifestyle. I would love it if you would consider subscribing before you go. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that bell icon. You can be notified every time I upload a new video. Before we get into the box, I'll tell you a little bit about FabFitFun if you are not familiar with them. It's a seasonal subscription box service, and what's nice about it is you can get beauty, wellness, fashion, fitness, and even tech items, which is great, so there's something for everyone. They have two subscription types. They have a seasonal and they have an annual. Unfortunately, their prices just went up, which is such a bummer. For the annual subscription, you do have to pay upfront for all 4 boxes, which is now $219.99, so it comes to $54.99 per box, but you are saving $20, so it is a little bit of a better value that way. If you don't want to put all that money down, you can also pay seasonally, which is great, and right now that is $59.99, and you will be billed quarterly. Each subscription is a little bit different. With the annual subscription, you get up to 8 products. You get to customize your entire box. You also have early access to customize your box, so you'll be able to customize before the seasonal members do. You get early access to add-on and any sales that they have. You have earlier shipping, and you can cancel anytime. With the seasonal, you still get up to 8 products, which is great. You only get 4 customizations out of 6, and you can cancel anytime. So let's get into this box. It is really, really big. This is how it is shipped. It is in this cardboard box. This box is made of all recycled materials, which is great. When you open it up, this is how it comes. It always has this little FabFitFun magazine per season, which is great. I don't know if you want to call it a catalog or a magazine. It tells you a little bit about the products that are inside. It has some nice articles. It also has recipes, which change for the seasons. So this is always nice to look through. It's a great bonus. The first thing that I have in here is a butter keeper. It is PBA free. It is freezer safe, dishwasher safe. So that's really nice. I am tired of having sticks of butter in Ziploc bags. I'm sure you guys can relate. I can't stand it. Let's take a look at it. This retails for $19.95. Just has the bottom tray, which you could definitely put 2 sticks of butter in that, which is nice. And then it just has the clear top that snaps on. This is a really good size. Really excited about this. And again, this is $19.95. Next, I have Perricone MD Cold Plasma Plus Advanced Eye Cream. I was so excited that this was in there. This retails for $110. This is what it looks like, just a little container. It does not have a smell. That's what it looks like. This says that it has vitamin E esters, omega-3, 6, and 9, and copper tripeptides. It is a multitasking powerhouse that uses a proprietary liquid crystal delivery system for faster and deeper penetration of key ingredients. So this sounded really good. I'm really excited for that. Lately, I've been wanting to try some eye creams. I'm not big on eye creams. I think you could use your moisturizers, but I wanted to try them because if I can find a great one, I want to let you guys know about it. Next, I have Herbivore Aquarius Pore Purifying Clarifying Cream. That's a mouthful. This retails for $44. This is a good size cream. It's 1.7 fluid ounce. Oh, it's so pretty. Love the jar that this comes in. A blue-hued lightweight cream moisturizer for combination and oily skin, formulated with blue tansy oil to improve skin's clarity, help balance moisture levels, leaving skin in a soft matte finish. Oh, that's amazing. This might be great for a daytime moisturizer. Ooh, I'm not smelling anything. Oh my God, that's so pretty. I know it really doesn't matter because you're putting it on your face and it's a cream, but this is beautiful. Wow, gorgeous. So again, that was $44. Next, I have a candle set, and I have to say, I don't think this is actually what I chose, but this is what I was sent, and it's in their little magazine here, but it's not under the customizations online. This was from 2021's winter box. I did look it up. It is worth $48. These are super cute. They're holiday candles. I have Missile Nope, Let It Pinot, and Unless There's Wine. So these are really cute. They smell really good. I can smell, the whole box smells like Christmas. Just little votives, and that's how they come. There's the second one. These are really cute. I love candles. I love having them going in the house. These have a pretty strong smell. They are soy candle, which is great. They burn cleaner. I'm really excited about these, $48 value on those. Next, I have Corona, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, Drench and Tone Duo 4-piece sheet mask set. This was customization 5, which is for the annual members. I didn't really like the choices. We will go over those in a little bit. So I chose this for someone else. This is a $20 value. I don't really use masks that often, not sheet masks anyway, so this will be a gift. Last but not least, I have the Unhide pillow. In the winter 2021 box, I got the throw and I loved it. It's on my bed every night. I sleep with it every night, but they had a pillow. This is super, super soft. It's worth $55. And like I said, I'm in love with the throw, so as soon as I saw the pillow, I had to have it. It's not very fluffy. I think I need to fluff it up. It feels like there's a synthetic down inside. Oh. And there's particles going everywhere, but this is so soft. I hope you can see the texture on this. It is so soft and silky. It's amazing. The back side still is soft, but it has a little bit of a different texture on it. It's not as thick. These are fantastic. Absolutely love the blanket. So I had to get the pillow. I don't really know what I'm going to do with it yet, but I love it. And it's just so snuggly and soft. So that's everything that's in my box. So let's total out the box. We have the pillow, which was $55. And we have the Paracone, which was $110. So we're at $165. We have the Butter Keeper, which is $19.95. We're at $184.95. We have the candles at $48. We have the Herbivore Cream. Oh my God, I'm so excited to try this, for $44. And the Drench and Tone Duo Sheet Mask Set, this was $20. So my box came to $296.95, so definitely worth more than what I paid for the box. I'm really happy with everything. I wasn't hugely excited about some of the selections. The category that this was in, I really had no interest in any of it. So now let's go ahead with the customizations and see what I could have chosen. Customization 1, you can pick a hooded Sherpa throw, that was a $60 value. A quilted vest, which was a $60 value. Unhide pillow, which I chose, which was a $55 value. A Mia Mika, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, car organizer, which is a $50 value. Nude Sticks hanging cosmetic case, that's nice, $64. Battery operated salt and pepper mill for $49. Coach signature C stud earrings for $95, that's fantastic. Some nesting bowls, which is a $40 value. Elemis superfood facial wash, that's a great one. A lot of people love that. That's a $33 value. And a Haps middle seat scented candles set with a sand vessel, that's a $70 value. Now, customization 1 is for all members. Customization 2 is also for all members. The first one is an Hourglass Confession Ultra Slim High Intensity Refillable Lipstick. It is a $39 value. Ola Hendrickson Dark Spot Toner, $34 value. The Paracone Plasma Advanced Eye Cream, which I chose, $110 value. A fabric shaver, $39.99. A mini humidifier, $49.99. A rolling pin, $32. A flexible back stretcher, $50 value. Customizations 3, this is for all members. You can get Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme Lip Plumper, $29 value. The Better Than Sex Mascara, that's a great one, $28 value. Short Stories Kitchen Scale, $29.99. Christoph Robin Cleansing Purifying Scrub with Sea Salt, $53 value. Flower Tina Hair Wrap, $38 value. Slippers for $39.95. The Laneige Lip Treatment Balm, $25. Glycolic Glow Treatment, $34. Now we're in customization 4, again for all members. A Vitamin Organizer, $22. Those are great to have. La Octane Shea Butter Hand Cream, $25 value. Friaz Mini Ice Globe Facial Massagers, $54 value. The Butter Keeper, which I chose, was $19.95. An eyeshadow palette and reusable makeup swabs bundle is $60. Makeup melt and reusable makeup swab bundle is a $39 value. Truffle mask, which is a $30 value. Now we're into customization 5. This is for annual members only. You can get Tone and Drench sheet mask set. That was a $20 value. That's what I chose. Pixie Retinol Tonic, Rose Tonics, or Clarity Tonic for $15. A lifting treatment mask for $69. Snowflake mug, that's super cute, for $18. First Day Beauty Ultra Repair Cream Intense Hydration Exfoliating Body Polish Bundle, $54. Oh my goodness. A towel scrunchie 2-pack in blush or white for $18. Flyaway Hair Essence, $18 value. Customization 6, again, for annual members only. This Works Stress Check Mood Manager, $44 value. A Mega C Body Wash, $24 value. The Herbivore Botanicals Clarity Cream, that's what I chose, $44 value. Awaken Arousal Oil, no CBD, $40 value. Dream Booster Bakuchiol Better Aging Serum, $28 value. Lemon Snowdrift Hat, $30 value. So guys, those are the customizations for your winter box. I wanted to be able to show you everything that you can choose. They have such a great selection. So my box was definitely worth what I paid for. I still don't know what the mishap was with these candles, but that's okay. And the one customization that I really didn't care for, I was able to pick something for someone else. So that works out great. So this wasn't one of my best boxes, but I still love everything that was in it. I wish they didn't have to raise their prices. That's kind of a bummer, but I will have all of the information linked down below for you if you were interested in joining FabFitFun. I just love the variety. Like I said, it's something for everyone. So guys, that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it and found it helpful. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch. I appreciate it so much. Have a great weekend, and I will see you in my next video.